Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to share with you a couple of items that were sent to me by NewCraftDay to review and share with you. If you have been watching my channel for a little bit, then you will know how much I love stamping hot wax and creating those beautiful hot wax seals. I have quite a collection of these stamp heads, and anytime a company reaches out to me and asks me to review their stamps, of course, I'm all for it. So I selected two from this particular company. I selected this larger one, and it's deeply etched, and the weight is amazing. The pattern is this beautiful, just like almost collage of flowers. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I also selected these two little strawberries because how sweet is this? I also have a strawberry journal that I would love to stamp in with some wax, but didn't have a stamp, and now I do. I do say, or I must say, that I absolutely love these both. Let me show you what they look like once they are stamped. Here are the flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. I think of all the flower wax stamps that I have, this is my favorite. Isn't it gorgeous? The detailing is fantastic. I absolutely love this. The Gilder's paste wax, just very easy to apply. Because this was so deeply etched, or because it is so deeply etched, you get a very nice impression. Very easy to highlight the flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's the same with the strawberries. Look at the strawberries. How amazing are they? So cute. Can't wait to add this to my strawberry journal. Now, they did send me a coupon code for what I believe is 10% off. I will link that below, together with the links to these particular products and to their website. So definitely go check them out. I absolutely love what I received, and I'm very, very happy with the way they stamped. Gorgeous. So that is my share, my friends. Very short and sweet and to the point. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. And I will catch you all in my next video, my friends. Until next time, bye-bye.